Howdy. We're here today, still a stellar day. We're with Steve Marchand. Nice to meet you, Steve.
Nice to meet you.
iRoof, not affiliated with any other I stuff. It's
No.
It's your own company.
Yep. Came up with it all on my own, and it definitely stands out.
And you're the I in iRoof.
I am the I in iRoof.
I roof, you roof, we all roof, sort of thing.
I sit in my truck.
Yeah. Well, you're the owner, right?
Yes.
Now you got a crew working here today.
Correct.
They're putting on Cambridge driftwood.
No.
Dual black. I couldn't see, the sun's in my eyes. Dual black. And how did you get into the roofing business? What got you started there? You were kicked out of modeling school and what?
No, I've been in construction my whole life. My uncles owned construction companies. My father owned construction companies. And it's just...
it's in your blood.
Yeah, it's been in the family for a long time. And when I was 15, I roofed for one summer. And 6 months, 7 months. And then that was it for a while. And then I joined the military when I was 17.
Good for you.
And when I got back, that's what I started. I started my own roofing company.
Believe it or not, I think you're the third person I've talked to today that started roofing there at 15.
Yeah.
Like it's everyone. So many years ago, I think, is there someone going around saying, hey, you look about 15, here's a hammer. Now, speaking of hammers, did you start hand nailing or did you start?
We did hand nail.
Yeah?
I worked for Jeanette's Home Improvements out of Amherst, and we hand nailed.
Wow.
Yep.
No, it's obviously, you can hear them. Those aren't hand nails.
No, those are the nail
bullets
guns.
or something, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
a lot quicker and a lot less labor, so the customer liked that because it's less expensive. I had a big project in Milford, New Hampshire, and that's what we used when I worked for Jeanette's Home Improvements. They used ICO. So the first thing I did was I reached out to ICO, and in order to make our company stand out, I brought the ICO reps in to elaborate more and show more of the specs on the shingle to the property management company.
Okay.
And I brought Mike in, and I brought his brother-in-law in, and we ended up selling the job, and it was around, total, it's like around 1,500 squares.
Awesome.
So, and then after that, we built a relationship with ICO, and they worked with us, we worked with them. It's a good price point, good selling points, and it took off since then.
Good for you. Well, we appreciate the business. Do you do commercial work as well?
Yes.
As
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah, we do PGM, TPO. It's not as big around here, but we do so.
Good. What do? You don't write poetry. You roof. Now, I can tell you've been working out a little bit. You're not quite up to my level yet, but you're coming. You're coming. You keep working at it. Now, did you get this way because ICO shingles are one of the true heavyweights in the industry, or?
Yeah, lifting those up 3 at a time up a ladder, absolutely.
Yeah. You go to the gym. What else do you do?
Yeah, no, I've always tried to take care of myself.
If you want to get another tattoo, that's an ICO logo tattoo, maybe other arm.
Only if you get iRoof on your chest.
Yeah, well, I'll see what temporary tattoos. We'll do it that way.
Fair enough.
Well, we're going to walk around a little bit.
Okay.
You can show us what some of your crew is doing. You can mention about the great Pro 4 system. That's what you're using. You get all the component materials in there. We were going to come up with a Pro 5 system. Couldn't come up with another thing. Pro 6 seems a little outrageous, but Pro 4 seems to fit the bill.
Gets the job done.
Is it good money? Is it good money for you, the Pro 4?
At the end of the year, yes.
Nice kickback?
Yes.
What'd you do with your money last year? Did you buy this beautiful van, or
Oh no!
take the kids to the
that's
beach?
in the boat fund right now.
Boat fund.
Boat fund. So maybe another year, and
Good luck. We'll pick the next installment of this video will be on your boat. And
Okay.
It'll be a nice big yacht. Keep it up.
Yeah.
All right.
I can put ICO on the side of it.